Hi, for this video, I just wanted to show you how to replace the battery on your MyQ smart garage door sensor. So this is a sensor here, and I just got a low battery warning from my phone. And basically, to open this thing, if you look under, so you're gonna see that there's a snap right there, and all you need to do is pry it with a screwdriver. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, and basically just take it out. So this sensor is using a CR2450 3-volt lithium ion battery. Okay, so let me go ahead and replace this thing. And basically, to remove the old battery, all you need to do is push it out. So I'm gonna use my finger first, and then I'm gonna use a plastic to push it. Okay, and then I'll grab the new battery, and you can see here it has like a plus sign here, and basically here the plus sign is this one right here, the one that have the writing, and all I have to do is put that back in. So now let's go ahead and install it back. To install it back, all you need to do is start from the top and just push it down. See that snap? So now it is put back in. So that's how you replace the battery on your MyQ smart garage door sensor. And I hope that this video helped you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. And thank you for watching.